Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meetings, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you put a filter in your Zoom video call? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a video filter into your Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, sometimes you're running a lot of sales calls or employee meetings, and you feel much more comfortable putting a filter over the video. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into an actual Zoom call. Now, if you want to apply a filter to your video stream, here on the bottom left, you're going to see this little camera, and off to the right of it, you're going to see an arrow. Click on there. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to choose this right here, Adjust Background and Effects. Okay, so then you're going to see this little box pop up, and in order to add a video filter on this top bar, click on Video Filters. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all the different video filters that are available. Some of them are kind of funny. Some of them just change the color. So for example, right here, it's going to kind of highlight in a different way, and you can click right here, turns it black and white. This one called Cinnamon, so I guess it adds like more reddish tones. I'm not sure why my eyebrows look like that. Let me scroll down and see if I have an eyebrow filter on. But you can see I have an eyebrow filter on for some reason. So let me turn that off, and you can see my eyebrows change. Or you can go ahead and add various eyebrow filters. So that's kind of strange. I've never used that one before. So once you've added the filter that you like, it's automatically going to be displayed to everybody else on screen. And then what you can do is you can also apply to all future meetings. So you don't have to mess with the settings every time. That way, the next time you log into a Zoom call, it's automatically going to have whatever filter you chose. And to do that, right here, apply to all future meeting, make sure that that's blue. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a filter to your Zoom meeting video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.